David's success came from high-ticket affiliate programs, automation tools, and creating high-converting content. His strategy maximized reach and earnings. Focus on high-commission affiliate programs like tech, finance, and luxury niches. Look for programs with 500 to 5,000 plus commissions. David created blog posts and videos that educated his audience, providing real value through tutorials and reviews, driving organic traffic. Paid advertising was critical. Ads on Google, Facebook, and Instagram helped him reach a specific audience and boost sales significantly. Email marketing was cornerstone for David. He built a list with lead magnets and sent personalized affiliate offers to nurture subscribers. Automation is crucial for scaling. Tasks like email follow-ups and ad management were automated, allowing David to focus on growth. David stayed ahead by building a unique brand and providing expert insights. He tracked trends and adjusted strategies to outpace the competition. David's sales funnel nurtured leads with landing pages and email sequences. Optimizing it helped increase his affiliate commissions. Beginners can replicate his success by starting with high-ticket, recurring programs, building content, and leveraging traffic strategies. Key takeaways include focusing on high-ticket products, utilizing SEO, paid ads, automation, and optimizing content for conversions.